production should be produced and what are the techniques you can use or what are the laws that are available and what are the how to identify the cost output relationship, that is what is the minimum cost and what is the minimum quantity that should be produced, and what is third one, it is what is the minimum sales of required by the company. So all these things we have discussed still now in previous topics, but the most important thing is selling price of the product. So how the price of the product is fixed, because to sell your product, this is playing a very crucial vital role, no? So you have to know how the price of the product is going to be fixed. So what are the methods we have available, which we can also call it as pricing techniques. So what are they? I will give you the list of that. Later I will discuss in the coming classes in detail about each and every one. One or two classes, within 1 or 2 classes we can complete that. So before that I will give you the list of these methods of pricing. So methods of pricing can be divided into different types. One, it is based on competition, how to fix the price of the product. What are the techniques we have? This is one method, main method. And the second way of pricing is they will consider based on the demand, they will be fixing the price. Demand based pricing we will call it as. And the third one, it is strategy based. Strategy means they will be using something new to attract the customers to compete in the compete with the competitors. So they should be special, no? So specially they are going to fix the price to attract the customers, which we can say that is strategy based. And the other one, it is cost based. So always we think that the price of the product will be fixed based on what they have spent. So always they are not going to use this type of cost based pricing. Cost means expenditure to produce the product, that will be considered in this type of pricing methods. So what are the techniques that are available under each and every technique, main technique? So under the competition based pricing methods, we are having two techniques. One, it is going rate pricing. Going rate means each and every minute the price will be changing, or each and every day the price will be changing. Going rate. So when along with the time, the price is going to be changed. And the second method, it is bid pricing. This is also called as auction pricing. Bidding we will call it as, no. So that technique comes under the competition. These two comes under the competition based. So when we consider the demand, so how or what are the different techniques that are available? Let us see that. Under demand based, one technique is perceived pricing. Perceived pricing means, so if the customer knows about that product or knows about the price, he will be charged proper price. If he don't know what is the price of the product, he will be charged higher prices. If he knows, right price will be charged. Otherwise, more prices will be collected from the customer. Perceived. Based on the knowledge of the price is going to be fixed. And the second method, it is differential pricing. So this is also called as discriminating pricing. So discriminating pricing means for different customers, different prices will be charged based on the demand. So how the customer is in need of that particular product to be purchased. how necessary it is to that particular customer. Based on that, they are going to fix the price, which is called as discriminating pricing or differential pricing. And when we come to the cost-based pricing, we are having again two methods here. One, it is cost plus pricing. Cost plus means you are going to add expenditure to the expenditure total cost. They are going to add certain profit and they are going to sell the product. Cost plus profit they are going to add, which is called as cost plus pricing. Second one, it is marginal pricing. Marginal pricing is nothing but by break-even point, break-even analysis. You can fix this. You can also find out the selling price, right? So as we have seen in the one of the exercise, how to identify the selling price. If there is change in the selling price, what is the break-even point? Okay, so even you can pick out the selling price also. This much of profit we require, this much of fixed cost we are incurring, this much of variable cost we are incurring. So what should be the selling price means you can pick out the selling price. That manner, if you are going to fix, that comes under the marginal pricing. We can also call it as break-even pricing. This is also called as break-even pricing. And coming to the strategy basis, so many are there, but only few I am going to list out here. Skimming pricing. Skimming means here at the beginning of introducing the product, they will be charging more prices, higher prices, and later they will be charging it. They will be reducing the price of the product once the customers are aware of the product. Like you can take the example of your cell phones. So when they were introduced at the beginning, they were charging more price they will charge. Later, after sometimes the price will be reduced. Skimming pricing, we will call it as. Penetrating pricing. Penetrating means this is opposite to skimming. That is at the beginning stage, newly entering into the market, new product newly entering into the market, they will charge lower prices, and later they will go on increasing the price. Start increasing the price when the customers are coming forward to purchase. You can take any example of any product. Bundle pricing like Santur unda. So Santur, what they are going to do, 3 products they are going to make it a bundle. 3 Santur soaps they will make it into a bundle, and they are going to fix the common price, right? Which is called as bundle pricing. What are the advantages, disadvantages? We will go in detail. So commodity pricing, here different commodities will be added. For an oil, if any other product is attached and that is going to be sold. Or when you go for any restaurant, what they are going to do along with your biryani, they will be giving you the cool drink and all, no? So combination of different products they are going to give. So that it is called as a commodity pricing. So like this, the different methods you can use here under the strategy based pricing. Okay, some other are there. I will give you later that list. But up to here, these are most important. So I have given a few strategy based pricing methods. We will discuss in the next class in detail about each and every one. What are the advantages, disadvantages, what it is, and along with the example.